Hey everybody, I'm Kate Dillon with CrateInsider.com, and today I'm here with my good friend Pat Fagen from Fast Shafts. And Pat, I know it's been a couple years since we've been able to get together and do a video, and catch us up a little bit.
Well, yeah, it's been a couple years. We did one at PRI show, and it was very good to do it with you. It was good to talk to you. Got a lot of response from the video, and you've got a good thing going on down here with the Crate Insider, and we're real happy to be involved with you.
Well, thank you so much. And I've had this really great feedback on these 2 1/4 inch drive shafts, the carbon fiber. Tell us a little bit more about your process. And I know it's really, since the time I started selling them, it would take several days. And then next thing you know, you really improved your processes, and we were cranking them out even faster. So I'd love to hear a little bit about that.
Well, we've been keeping track of sales history now since 2012. And, I learned a long time ago that race car drivers, they quit buying spare parts, and they'll squeeze every bit of life out of what they have. And when they break it, they want it right now. So I've made it my journey to make sure that I have product in stock ready to ship. We have approximately 500 to 600 carbon fiber drive shafts on the shelf ready to go, and I think that's one thing that keeps us ahead of everybody else, is the fact that we can send it out the same day. If I can't send it that day, we'll build it that day and we'll send it the next day. And we've had excellent response from our carbon fiber drive shaft. We really build a good quality drive shaft. We have very few failures, and I think that's real important today, to build something that's not going to fail, because racers, a lot of them are racing for a living, and I've gained a lot of good customers because of other product failures. So we're real happy with it. We offer a good product in a very timely fashion at a fair price.
Well, and I'm excited. After selling enough carbon fiber drive shafts, you really encouraged me, and now, of course, I have them in my store as well. I don't have every size, and I certainly don't have 500 drive shafts, but I've got some of those common sizes, and I really appreciate you encouraging me to take that leap and put it on my shelf.
Yeah, it's again, racers, when they break something, they want it right now, and they don't want to wait. And if you don't have it, they're going to call the next guy. And, again, I don't think anybody in the industry can service the public like we do, or service you like we do. We've got a lot of good customers, and we sell a lot of drive shafts. But the fact of the matter is, we've got them on the shelf, and it's a good product. So.
Fantastic product, great response, and thank you for coming down to North Carolina to the Cars Racing Show. Appreciate you being here, and you've always been so supportive of Crate Insider, and I really can't thank you enough for that. So thank you so much, Pat.
You bet. And it was a journey to come down here, and it took a lot of thought. Usually this time of the year, I'm busy with a local show up in Iowa, but I thought I'm gaining ground down here. And, I thought, I better go down there and talk to my customers face to face, because in this world, face to face still matters. It's important.
Sure does. All right. Well, thank you so much. And obviously, I'll be selling some fast shafts as we move forward. So keep doing what you're doing, Pat.
Thank you, Kate.